Hello everybody, welcome to my chess channel. I'm Cruz from Goa, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can checkmate your opponent in just 4 moves. You're going to learn what is scholar's checkmate. In this video you'll see how white can do checkmate for black using bishop's opening. So let us start with the game. Let's say the white plays e4, black can play e5. Now in this position, white plays bishop c4, is a bishop opening. Now in this position, black plays knight c6. Now let's say the white plays queen on h5. Plan is to capture pawn on f7 and full black. Let's say the black gets pulled by playing knight on f6. It is a bad move. So you can take queen and just capture the pawn on f7. So now white has checkmated black in just 4 moves. This checkmate would have been saved if black had played any other move except knight f6. So here when queen came h5, black should have just saved this checkmate by playing this. So this is all about the 4 move checkmate. If you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon.